Imagine waking up one morning, checking your stock portfolio, and seeing a penny stock you bought for just $1 now worth $100. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that in 2025, this could actually happen? Right now, there are hidden stocks in the market with the potential to grow by 100 times, but most people miss out because they don't know where to look. In this video, we will reveal the best penny stocks that could explode in 2025. We will break down why these stocks have massive growth potential, how you can buy them before the big players do, and what risks you need to watch out for. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game, like this video now, because the information I am about to share is something that big investors don't want you to know. Before we begin, think about this: what's the best investment decision you have ever made? Comment below and let's see who has the sharpest investment skills. Now, let's talk about why penny stocks are so powerful. Unlike big companies like Apple or Amazon, penny stocks have high volatility, which means they can double or even triple in value in just days. But with high rewards come high risks, so it is important to pick only the best ones. Penny Stock 1, Enel Chile SA, ENIC. Our first pick is Enel Chile SA, currently trading at a low price but showing significant potential. This company operates in the energy sector, focusing on electricity generation, transmission, and distribution in Chile. Recently, technical analysis has identified a bullish wedge breakout in its stock price, indicating potential for substantial gains. Why this stock could 100x? Strong technical indicators. The stock has shown a bullish wedge breakout, suggesting a potential upward trend. Strategic positioning. As a key player in Chile's energy sector, Enel Chile is well positioned to benefit from the country's growing energy demands. Institutional interest. The company's strategic importance and recent stock performance have attracted attention from institutional investors. Should you invest? If you're looking for a high-risk, high-reward stock, Enel Chile could be a compelling option. However, always conduct your own research and consider the inherent risks associated with penny stocks. Before we move on, here's a question for you. If you could go back to 2010, which stock would you buy? Tesla, Amazon, or Bitcoin? Comment below and let's see what everyone thinks. Penny Stock 2, Gossamer Bio, Inc. GOSS. The second stock on our list is Gossamer Bio, Inc., a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing treatments for various diseases, including pulmonary arterial hypertension. The stock has been working on a bottoming process for over a year and is starting to show signs of strength. What makes this stock special? Pipeline potential. Gossamer Bio has a robust pipeline of drug candidates targeting significant unmet medical needs. Technical signals. The stock has recently shown a trendline breakout, indicating potential bullish momentum. Market demand. The diseases targeted by Gossamer Bio's treatments have substantial market potential, offering opportunities for growth. Investment potential. For investors interested in the biotech sector, Gossamer Bio presents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. As always, thorough due diligence is essential before making investment decisions. Penny Stock 3, Tuya Inc. TUYA. Our third pick is Tuya Inc., a Chinese enterprise software company specializing in Internet of Things (IoT) cloud platforms. The company's stock recently broke out of a multi-year sideways consolidation pattern, indicating potential for significant growth. Why this stock could boom? IoT market growth. Tuya operates in the rapidly expanding IoT sector, which is expected to see substantial growth in the coming years. Technical breakout. The recent breakout from a consolidation pattern suggests the beginning of a bullish trend. Strategic partnerships. Tuya's collaborations with various device manufacturers enhance its market reach and revenue potential. Would you take the risk? Tuya Inc. offers exposure to the growing IoT market but comes with the risks inherent to penny stocks and international investments. Evaluate your risk tolerance and conduct thorough research before investing. Final thoughts and action plan. Penny stocks can offer substantial returns, but they also come with significant risks. The stocks we discussed today have shown potential based on technical analysis and market positioning, but it's crucial to approach them with caution. If you're serious about making money in 2025, here's what you should do next. Conduct in-depth research. Look beyond technical indicators and understand the company's fundamentals, market conditions, and industry trends. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spreading your investments can help manage risk. Set realistic expectations. While 100x returns are enticing, they are rare. Aim for steady growth and be prepared for volatility. Now, before we end the video, here's a final question for you. If you had $10,000 to invest right now, which of these stocks would you choose? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe because we bring you the best investment opportunities before anyone else. See you in the next video.